Want to create a wall groove in Revit but not sure where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I will walk through different ways to create wall grooves so you can choose the method that works best for your project. Hello and welcome back to Archi Tools. If you are looking to improve your Revit skills with practical tips and real world workflows, you are in the right place. Let's get started. So we will discuss about how you can provide wall grooves in this video. So there are two options in which you can provide your wall grooves. One is horizontally or vertically, and the other would be which is placed as some kind of a designer groove inside your wall. So in order to provide such kind of grooves, there are different methods, and we will be discussing about both of them in detail. First of all, we'll talk about how we can create a horizontal and vertical groove inside our wall. So for that, we can use our wall reveals. So in order to provide your reveals, you need to first of all create a reveal profile. So I'll just go into new family and let's just check the unit of this first of all. So the unit is in mm. So I'll just go to new family and I will go into the English template, and here I will drop down till I get my metric profile template. Just click on that. Now we will create a profile for the void of the groove. So I'll pick a line and let's say my groove is 10 by 10 size, 10 mm by 10 mm. So I'll just go ahead and save it. And after that, I'll just load into the project and close. The profile has been loaded. Now I need to create my reveal for that. So for elevation, you will be able to get your reveal, but in case of plan and you are trying to get to the wall reveal or wall sweep, you won't be able to do that. So the best way for me, I prefer working in the 3D while going into the wall reveal. So I'll just go to the drop down of this, select wall reveal. Now this is a standard reveal that has been placed. I'll just go to the edit type, duplicate, and name the reveal which we will be creating like this. Click on OK. Now I just need to go into the construction profile, go into the drop down and select the profile which we have just created. Just click on OK after that. Now, once I have selected my reveal, you can see on the top we have two options, that is horizontal and vertical. It is for the placement. So if I select the horizontal and provide my reveal, it will be placed somewhat like this. And you can see that I'm not able to place reveal once I have placed it into a wall. I can place the reveal to another wall, but I cannot place it again on the same wall. So in order to again provide you reveal in the same wall, you can either go to escape button, select the reveal, press on CS and again provide it. One way is that. And the other way would be just provide your reveal and click on restart reveal and again provide your reveal like this. Once you are done, just go to one of the elevations where you can find the position and you can adjust it. So I am gonna provide it at 1000 mm distance. So what I'll be doing is I'll just take the dimensions of the bottom part and I'll just begin selecting my reveals and provide a fixed distance. Similar way, if you wanted to provide a vertical reveal, you can just press on the reveal or select and press on CS for create similar and select this vertical, provide your reveal, restart reveal again to provide multiple reveals. Here we go. Now you can also adjust its position. Once you select any reveal, you can adjust the pointers from where the reveal will be working, somewhat like this. So this is one method of providing a reveal. But if in case you want to provide a horizontal reveal and that reveal would be reflected in a lot of walls, so working through this method would take a lot of time. So what I would prefer is you just create a wall type for that, which will have this kind of reveal. So I'll just go to the edit type, duplicate this wall. Let's just name it like this. Press on OK. And after that, let's just go to the structure. I'll just click on this preview icon so I can see what is happening. And in the floor, just instead of the floor plan, select this section. All right. So we have a structure that is inside, and we have finish of plaster on both the ends. I'll just I have to just provide my reveals on both the ends, which will be placed at a fixed distance. So for that, we have an option of reveals here in the modify vertical structure. Click on this. You have to load the profile. So the profile is already loaded, so I need not to load it. I just need to add it. So once I click on add, select that profile. Now it will ask for the distance. I'll provide a distance of 1000 mm. And third is how you want your uh, orientation, whether you want it perpendicular to the face or parallel to the ground. In this case, the profile is a square, so the orientation parallelly or perpendicularly would be same, so it won't matter. Side is exterior, interior, it is based on this positioning of the wall. So we need to provide on both the sides in case, then we have to again load the same thing, select the profile, paste it. I'll keep the same distance from base, that is fine. Orientation is okay. And this time side will be interior side. So similarly, I have created a few more profiles, keeping them at a distance of 2000 and 3000 as well, keeping the side on interiors and exteriors. And after that, let's hit on OK and we are ready to go. Let's go to plan, select the wall that we had just created. I'll just select this, go to the selection 3D. So this is how it is looking. So the reveal is on both the ends, like as we have provided. The other scenario would be you need to create a groove, but that groove is not horizontal or vertical. It can be of any particular angle, and you want to place it inside your wall. So in order to do that, you just need to go into component, select model in place. Let's just select walls. I'll provide a name so I can remember. Now I'm inside my making component option, and before going into anything, I just need to make sure whether my work plane is set correctly or not. So in order to do that, just go into set, click on pick a plane, and select the plane where you want to provide your groove. This, in my case, this face of the wall would be my plane. Now I just need to go into the void forms, select void extrusion, click on front, of the 3D, and let's just create the groove. So a profile for the groove can be something like this. So this line I have made, and I'll just, in order to provide my groove, I'll just offset it. Okay, this is quite thin. I'll make it 20 so it is more visible. All right. So now I'll just close the loops. So I have provided my line. I'll just trim that. Let's trim from here as well. And we need to just clear this intersection lines as well. So I'll trim here as well. Let's split this by using SL. Trim it after that. So we have to repeat the same process everywhere. After my void is created, I'll click on the extrusion end, make it 20. Now let's check whether the 20 is going inside or outside. So this is correct. If it was going outside, I have to do it minus 20. So this is fine. I'll just go ahead and click on cut, select the wall face and the profile which we have created. Click on model finish, and here we go. So we have created a groove in wall that is a designer groove. And that's how you can create wall grooves in Revit quickly and efficiently. You can use any of the methods described based on your requirement. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Archi Tools for more practical Revit and BIM tips every week. If you have any questions or want to see a specific Revit tutorial next, leave the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.